In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to a calendar by URL in Google Calendar. It's a quick and simple process you can complete in just a few minutes, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you're comfortable using. Once your browser is open, head to the Google search page and type in Google Calendar. Click on the link to open Google Calendar. This is the first step to accessing the interface where you'll manage your calendars. If you aren't already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your Google account details. Just input your email and password, and then you'll be taken into your Google Calendar. It's important to make sure you're logged into the account you want to use to manage your calendars, particularly if you have multiple Google accounts. With Google Calendar open on your screen, direct your attention to the bottom left corner. Here, you'll find the Other Calendars section. This is the area where you can manage and add additional calendars aside from your main one. Look for the small plus sign situated right next to this section. Clicking on this is your next step, as it opens up more options for calendar management. Once you click the plus sign, a drop-down menu appears. From this menu, select the option that says From URL. It's a straightforward selection, but it's crucial for adding a calendar using a specific link or URL you have. Now that you've selected From URL, you'll see a field where you can simply paste the URL of the calendar you want to subscribe to. Make sure you have this URL ready beforehand. It's typically provided by whoever is sharing the calendar with you, whether it's for a personal event, a professional meeting schedule, or even public calendars like holidays and special events. With the URL pasted into the designated field, the next step is to click on Add Calendar. This action subscribes you to the calendar, integrating its events into your own Google Calendar. Once you've clicked this button, the calendar you've added will now show up under Other Calendars on the left side of your screen. Subscribing to a calendar by URL is especially useful for keeping track of events and schedules shared across different platforms or by different users. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a new calendar to your view, making it easier to stay organized and keep track of multiple schedules. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.